Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using your own hand as the measuring tool. Press your palm flat to estimate a protein portion, cup your hand for carbs, and use your thumb for fats. Once done, compare servings to your plate and adjust. Taller palms mean larger portions. Make sure to account for cooking changes. Meat shrinks, rice expands, so slightly reduce dry portions. This method is immediate and portable, so try it now with a single meal to anchor the habit. Once you have the basics, assemble each plate. Place 1 palm-sized protein, 1 cupped hand carb, and 1 thumb-sized fat. Fill the rest with vegetables. You should vary portions by activity, add another palm of protein on heavy training days, or reduce carbs on low-activity days. Make sure to weigh or eyeball unfamiliar foods until you internalize sizes. This approach simplifies grocery choices and eating out. Scan your plate, then mentally map hand portions to control calories and nutrients. You finish by testing the palm rule for a week and adjusting based on results. If you're still hungry, increase protein by half a palm or add more fibrous vegetables. If you're gaining weight unexpectedly, reduce portions by 10 to 20%. Make sure to reevaluate for special conditions like pregnancy or medical diets. If a meal looks confusing, break it into components and compare each to your hand. This quick troubleshoot keeps the method reliable and flexible for real life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.